Tell him to talk to you.
Can you talk to me, Rocco? Can you talk to Mama? Can you talk to me? Yes, you can. I know you can. You were just talking. You can, Russia? Oh. Yeah. Could you tell me more? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're starting to get a little frustrated now. Tell me more. Oh, yeah? Could you tell me more? Oh, you're starting to get a little frothy? Are you frothing at the mouth? Are you a chubby bunny? Do you love chubby bunny? Oh, you're telling me you're not happy anymore. Okay. Okay, let's try this. What about like this? Do you want to talk some more? Do you want to talk some more? No, you're done. Are you done? Or do you want to tell me more? Oh, it's a good story. Oh, it's a great story. It's a great story. I love it. Do you want to tell me more of it? Could you tell me more? Yeah. Are you a chubby bunny? Chubby bunny. Could you do chubby bunny? You like it. Ready? Chubby bunny. Oh, can you say chubby bunny?
I'm torturing you.
I know. But I am trying to get something out of you. Oh, yeah. You were smiling earlier. No smiles? You're done? Okay. Okay. All done. Yeah, all done. All done. All done. Hello.